Need to add all your teachers at once? With BestoLMS, you can upload them in bulk, quickly, accurately, and effortlessly. Let's get started. Before we begin, please make sure you've already added your classes, sections, and subjects, since the teacher upload process depends on them. Now, from your dashboard, open the side menu and click on Excel Import. Since we're adding teachers, download the teacher's Excel template from here. This template also includes a set of instructions and built-in validations. Make sure to follow them carefully for an error-free upload. Now, start filling in the teacher details carefully. Username first and last name, email ID and phone number, address, gender, write in all caps, date of birth, blood group, subjects assigned to the teacher, and the classes they handle, separated by commas. Once done, save your Excel file. Go back to the BestoLMS dashboard. Select the Teacher Import template and upload your file. After uploading, check the summary. If all indicators are green, you're good to go. Now, click on Import Records, and that's it. All your teachers are successfully added to the system in one go, linked with their respective classes and subjects. Fast, organized, and reliable. That's BestoLMS, your smart partner in academic management.